I'm pretty confident with this technique. I'm pretty confident.
Don't you have time for me, bitch, else that be on your mind. Long as you got your cars and doors to drive, I should've known I couldn't get your time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria, if you don't know me. In today's video, we're talking about eyelashes, why your eyelashes will not stay on. And it's just so funny because I used to literally carry eyelash glue in my little purse just in case I had any lifting or anything going on. I don't have that at all anymore. I leave my eyelash glue at home, okay? I live in Miami, so I be on the yachts, the jet skis, all that, and my lashes never lift. So I'm pretty confident with this technique. I'm pretty confident. So this video actually is for anyone who doesn't know how to put on eyelashes or anyone who just needs help making them stay. I got a couple tips and tricks that I guess I just learned along the way of doing my makeup that I'm gonna share with you guys in this video today. So please remember to like this video if you like this video. Comment below if it helped you. Comment below if you tried it. Let me know. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're interested in improving the way you do your lashes, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, so this is my face with no lashes. I like to put a little bit of mascara on, nothing crazy, but honestly, like, because I do my whole face before I put my lashes on, sometimes I get a little makeup on my lashes. So that's really the only reason why I personally put mascara. It also does help for your lashes to stick to your strip lashes. This is the mascara that I like to use. It's called Lash Paradise. I'll link it below, and you can tell I use her all the way up. So I do wear this mascara a lot, and I do really like it. So, but for these purposes, I'm literally just putting it on my lashes just to make them black before I put on my strip lashes. So anyways, just throwing that out there so we can get to the point. So these are the strip lashes that I'm using. I'll also link below some good lashes that I feel like are good for beginners, just because I don't even know what lashes these are. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know what lashes these are. These are lashes that I have like reused. I reuse my lashes till they over with, okay? Like, I reuse my lashes until I can't reuse them no more. So this is like an old pair of lashes, but I will link below some lashes that I feel like are good for beginners, just because they have a lighter lash band. They're not as heavy on your eyes, you know? So yeah, I'll link those below. But these are the lashes that I'm using. You can reuse your lashes over and over again. I do it and I have no problem. You also want to make sure that you have a good pair of tweezers. If I can find them, I'll link these below too. And then the glue, obviously the most important part. I like to use the Duo glue. This literally got glue all over it, but anyways, not the point. So I like to use the Duo glue with the green labeling because it has this little brush. This is what the little brush looks like. And girl, when I tell you, it's literally a little line. Like, it's not like one of those glues that's literally just like this. You gotta pour it out, or like you gotta squeeze it out. You don't know how much you're squeezing out. Like, no, it's a simple little brush. All you gotta do is dip it and boom, you straight. Like, you don't get too much glue, you don't get too little glue. It's literally the perfect application. So yeah, my favorite glue, been using it for years. Anyway, so now that we kind of got, I'm pretty sure those are all of the products you need. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually apply it so that your lashes do not come off. My lashes never come off, like, no matter what. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and show y'all what we're working with. Okay, so we're zoomed in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the glue and I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. So I'm gonna put it right above my lashes, like I'm doing a thin eyeliner, but you're placing it as close to your lashes as possible because you don't want no gap between your eyelashes and your eyelashes, like between your real eyelashes and your fake eyelashes. So this is what it should look like. Basically just a line of glue right above your real eyelashes because that's where your lashes are gonna go. Putting the glue on your eyelid is what really be keeping your lashes on. It's like double adhesive, okay? So I'm doing the same thing with the lash, just putting the glue all over the lash band. And this is what it should look like. Not too much, not too little. That's why I love this glue. And now once we're done with that, you see how my eyelid looks dry now? Like, you don't see no glue. That's what you want it to look like because that's how you know the glue is gonna stick. And you want the same thing for your eyelash. So you see how my eyelash still has that white strip of glue on it? You want it to dry. You don't want it to be a whole white strip of glue. It might not get all the way clear, but you definitely don't want it to be all the way this blue-white color either. You want it to dry a little bit. So now that it's pretty dry, this is what it looks like. And if you want to test it out to see if it'll stick, you can literally just stick it to your finger and see if it sticks. So you want to start by holding the lash in the middle. You see how my tweezer is directly in the middle of the lash? It's not on the right, it's not on the left, it's directly in the middle. That's how you want to start off. So we're gonna take the lash and we're gonna tilt it upwards. You see how I just flipped it? And you're gonna place it right where you place that glue. So we're gonna take the outside and match it with the outer part of our eye. And we're gonna take the inside and do the same thing. And now the lash is on. Okay, y'all, and that is it. These babies is not coming off. I can wear them for the next 24 hours or more. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please remember to comment below. Let me know if you try this technique. I really don't have nothing to say other than I hope the video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like this video if you like this video. Comment below. This technique has really worked for me for a very long time, and I figured why not share it. I haven't really been into my makeup stuff lately. I've been doing get ready with me's, but I haven't really gone back to the basics. But yeah, I'm just taking it back to the basics for y'all. So that's really all I have to say. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.